My name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's class, we will solve the reading test portion of Unit 15, which is apologizing and responding to them. So let's begin. Let's read the text and then we'll do the activities that follow the text. So this is a vacancy announcement. A well-established English medium school is seeking dynamic, energetic and well-qualified candidates for the following posts. 1. Academic Coordinator, full-time, MA, M.Ed or M.Phil, at least 5 years experience. 2. Secondary level English teacher, full-time, MA or M.Ed in English, at least 5 years experience. And 3. Public Relation Officer, part-time, BA or BBS, at least 2 years experience. Remuneration, negotiable. Fluency in English speaking is a must. Eligible, enthusiastic and passionate Nepali individuals are requested to send their scanned handwritten application. A copy of academic qualification, CV and supporting documents and a recent passport size photograph must be sent by 20th March 2015 to the following address. Janta Kalika Secondary School, Sorung Thabise 8, Udaipur, janata.kalika@gmail.com. Telephone inquiry will not be entertained. Only shortlisted applicants will be called for an interview. So this is a vacancy announcement. Now after reading this text, we will now solve the exercise portion. First, we need to find the synonyms. The first word is wanted. In the first line, we have a well-established English medium school is seeking dynamic, energetic, and well-qualified candidates. So now seeking means to want. So we can say seeking is the synonym for wanted. Next, we have minimum. So minimum means the least, and we have at least 5 years of experience in the text. So at least is the synonym for minimum. Next, we have reputed. Reputed means well-known. And in the first line, we have a well-established English school. So that means well-established means reputed. Now next, we have credentials. Now credentials can be said as qualifications. So we have a copy of academic qualifications in the last paragraph, and which can be the synonym for credential. Next is compulsory. So now compulsory means must, and we have must in our text, which reads, a copy of academic qualification, CV and supporting document and a recent passport size photograph must be sent. So must means compulsory. You don't have any other option. And finally, we have biodata. So biodata means CV. And here we've found the synonyms for these words. Next, we need to choose the best answer and then fill in the gaps. The first question is, the vacancy is for how many posts? The options are 3, 5 or 4. Now we know that the vacancy is published because they want 1 full-time academic coordinator, 2 secondary level English teacher, and 2 part-time public relation officer. Though they need a total of 5 employees, the vacancy is for 3 posts only. So the 3 posts are academic coordinator, secondary level English teacher, and public relation officer. So the correct option is 3. The academic qualification for the secondary level English teacher is, the options are MA, M.Ed, MA or M.Ed in English. After going through the vacancy, we know that the qualification required for secondary level English teacher is both MA or M.Ed. Next question is, the application should reach, and the options are later than 20th March, within 20th March or before 20th March. So here it is said that a copy of all of the documents must be sent by 20th March 2015. So this means we need to send it before 20th March, and you can also send it on 20th March. So we can say within 20th March. And the final question for this section is, Janata Kalika School wanted 2 English teachers. So we have options secondary level, higher secondary level and lower secondary level. In the vacancy, we have secondary level English teacher full-time too. That means the school wants 2 full-time secondary level English teachers. So the first option is the correct one. So we're done with this section. Now we will answer the questions. The first question is, what is the advertisement for? And the answer is, and the answer is, the advertisement is for the vacancy announcement of candidates for the posts of academic coordinator, secondary level English teacher, and public relation officer. The second question is, what is the minimum academic qualification for the post public relation officer? And the answer is in our text, which is, the minimum qualification for the post public relation officer to have a degree on BA or BBS and at least 2 years experience. The next question is, who will be called for interview? And the answer is towards the end of our vacancy announcement, which reads, only shortlisted applicants will be called for an interview. And this is our answer. Write down the essential documents to be submitted along with the application. This is our next question. And the answer is, the essential documents are a copy of academic qualifications, CV, and supporting documents with a recent passport size photograph. The next question is, how can an applicant deliver his or her application? And the answer is, an applicant can deliver his or her application by sending the scanned handwritten application to the email address janata.kalika@gmail.com. What are the inherent features to be a potential candidate? And the answer is, the inherent features to be a potential candidate are fluency in English speaking, eligible, enthusiastic, and passionate Nepali individuals. And the final question is, where is the school located? The answer is in the end of the vacancy announcement. We have an address there. So we can say the school is located at Sorung Thabise 8, Udaipur. So this is all for today's class. The homework is, the first question is, choose the correct option. Candidates must have blank years of experience to be eligible for academic coordinator. The options are less than 5, more than 5, or 5. So go through the text again, and this is the vacancy for the first post, that is academic coordinator. We need one full-time academic coordinator, and the eligibility is just listed below that. So you can easily find the answer for this question there. The next question is, can a commerce graduate with 5 years of experience in teaching high school apply for position 2? So you can go through the eligibility in position 2, that is MA or MAd in English and at least 5 years of experience. So if this is the criteria and if the graduate falls under this, he can definitely apply for the position for secondary level English teacher. So read it once and then you will be able to answer it. This is all for today's class. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or anything that you wish to share with us, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching.